Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Canva to Cloudy. This is a great way to combine a design tool with AI to improve your workflow and creativity. Let's get started. Now, on your Canva dashboard, to integrate with the app, all you need to do is click the 3 horizontal lines on your left dashboard. Next, click on Apps. Once you're in your apps, just type Cloud in the Search Apps bar, and you will see Cloudy appear right away. Now, click on it so we can start connecting. A window will pop up to confirm that we want to connect to Cloudy. Just click Connect, and then log into your account. Here, you can log in using your Google account. Confirm your account, verify it, and agree to the terms. Then, choose the free option. Skip this step so you can continue. Enter your name if needed, for example, Installator. Once you're here and logged in, all you have to do is click again on the body to go back, then click Connect. Now it is connecting. Allow access so that it will confirm the connection. As you can see, it is now connected with Cloudy. You can now start using Cloudy with Canva, and that's how you connect Canva to Cloudy. With this setup, you can take advantage of AI to boost your creativity and productivity.